my name is Dr. Sandra Colton-Medici. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much for being here. If you're not already subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button. Hit the button, the like one, if you like what you're hearing today on this video about content marketing strategy. And also, if you have a chance, join the membership right here on YouTube. Now, I just joined the YouTube Partner Program, and so I'm really excited about figuring out what's going to help my channel grow and grow along with you, my audience, and figure out exactly what you want to see right here on the channel. Some of the ideas that I was brainstorming to really push my channel forward, I'm going to share with you now. So I've decided to do 4 things that I think are going to bolster my channel right here on YouTube and give you more of the content that you want to see. Now, I hope that if you listen to these 4 different things, that you can implement them as well for your channel, and they can help you too. So number 1 is actually using the new feature that YouTube just announced, which is utilizing the Shorts feature to reply to comments on your videos. So not only am I going to start replying to comments with YouTube Shorts, but I'm also going to go back to older videos that might need maybe a little refresh or an update and reply to some of those older videos with YouTube Shorts. The second thing that I'm going to do is create shorts that actually point back to long form content. And what I mean by that is creating an update to a topic that I've talked about in the past, but then put a pinned comment in that short to point back to a link to longer form content that I've created a while ago, so that it increases watch time. So hopefully you can implement that in your channel as well. The third thing that I'm going to do is just create more original content for YouTube Shorts. I think that YouTube Shorts generate a lot of views, and if people like your content on Shorts, they might stick around for longer form content as well. And the fourth thing that I'm gonna do is go back to older content that has probably like 100 views or less and switch up either the thumbnail, the title, add more SEO searchable words, keywords into the description and make it better, because I feel like if it has been overlooked but still is valuable content, it may be something that just needs a little bit of a revamp. And I don't want to, do too much to what I already have going, but I do want to switch up some of the things that aren't working. Thank you so much for sticking with me. If you're still here, you get a secret number 5, which is utilizing TubeBuddy to help you get those bells and whistles into your videos. I am going to definitely double down on utilizing TubeBuddy from here forward. If you want my referral link to TubeBuddy, definitely check the description for that. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here on YouTube. Bye.